Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to access our menu options on your dashboard. Um, you have a couple of different ways. The first one here is by checking the box. We give you all our options at the top. The other way, which is maybe a little less known, which is our coverage for this video, is if you right click, you also get the similar menu. You'll notice that we have all the normal functions. You can add a call, text, see your marketing pieces that this file is assigned to. You can copy it and create a brand new lead with it. You can also sync and delete as needed. Again, this is just right-clicking on the file, and then this menu option is for that file that you right-clicked on, not any other file in the listing. So be very careful which file you're clicking on, but that's another way, in addition to marking the box, that you can get to our options menus for different functions on your files.